When was the last time you actually deep cleaned your mattress?
Here are 3 ways that you can clean your mattress.
The first way is taking hydrogen peroxide and pouring it on the stain, then take a cloth and just transfer it onto the cloth. Or you can take an iron and get the stain removed like this.
And when you're done goofing around with the first 2 methods, here is how to properly deep clean a mattress.
Of course, I'm only kidding. The other methods do work. Now, this is just how to do a proper deep cleaning. Pre-spray, then agitate with a brush, scrubbing all the stains. This is very important if you want to thoroughly deep clean your mattress. Then take an extractor machine like this here and make sure you don't oversaturate the mattress. So don't use a machine that has a really high PSI because that pressure will inject the water too deeply into the mattress. So you got to be careful with that. But make sure you use something that has good suction to really get that water back in there. Do lots of passes, but then when you're done with the cleaning process, as you can see, it takes a bit. Once you're done with the water part of it, go over it just to do some dry passes to really get that moisture out of the mattress and lift those stains out of there. This is a very important step. The other thing is, when you are finished with this, make sure you have proper air movement. You want to make sure that the mattress dries as quickly as possible, and that will lead to great results.